Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another Nature Note by Jacob. We're here in the springtime woods just across Camp Kawartha, and they're towering oaks and maples. And I've been looking around and I just noticed something on the ground, and you can find these too, last fall's acorns. And in here is the promise of a mature oak tree. Sometimes I'll find an acorn, I'll just plant it in the ground to help the tree grow. But you can take the top, if you find one lying like I did here, the cap, you make a little V with your thumb, make a little narrow gap, and you blow across the knuckles of your thumb, and here's what happens. You can make a whistle. You just have to sort of rearrange the V until you get a good sharp whistling sound. Watch out for incoming dogs. Make an acorn whistle. We'll see you next time on Nature Note.